Oh, I'm stuck!
So you're here at the first layer. You can see the ceiling is high, the space is wider, and you can see some skyline. The top and the second layer, it is all opposite. So zero visibility, narrow area, and lower ceiling. Here at Kalinawan Cave, you can enjoy this and at the same time you can learn. So we will uncover the history of Kalinawan Cave inside of second layer. And we can learn artificial caves and glitters only. Because Kalinawan Cave is open on public during 1980, but the first explorer here is the shootings or the films. So in locals here in the Philippines, you're gonna watch Encantadia, Al Caperico, Ang Provinciano, Ang Panday, and so many more. So in the international movie, we have Mr. Jack Chan Superfly 1 Color Operation 2. Okay. That part is the part that you can touch. That you can touch.
You can't?
You can.
You can?
Yes.
You can touch? Ito yung mga nilagay lang nila?
Yes, that is an artificial paints or glitters for the additional effects for shootings.
For the shooting.
So here, single line or single file only. You
Okay.
walk here, single line. Here. Okay guys, so please stand by. So I will show you some another rock formation here at the first layer. So this is called the column. So it is made by two parts. It has two parts. It is from ceiling and ground. So in the ceiling, it is called the stalactite. So the stalactite is called, it is the stalactite. So yun po yung pumapatak. And pag pumapatak siya sa ground, it became stalagmite. Yes. Para hindi kayo malito sa kanilang dalawa. From the word stalag, the last letter C meaning is ceiling. Meaning ceiling. So last letter G from stalag, meaning naman po nun is ground. Okay. So if they combine and they meet, they will form as a column. But it is so long. It will take so long because Kalinawan Cave is classified as a dry cave. So so
matagal
it will
siya.
took million or billion years.
Yes.
Okay guys, this part is called the grotto or the altar. So sa isang liwanag po sa taas, may isa pong babaeng nakaluhod at nagdarasal.
I can see it.
That is the mother of Jesus Christ.
Mama Mary.
Yes, Mama Mary. And behind him, we have rock formation of head of horse or dinosaur T-Rex.
Yeah.
And this one, this is Mama Mary again.
Yeah.
So there's a rock formation of Mama Mary again, carrying Jesus Christ. Okay, go up and take a picture. That's the yellowish one.
You're not allowed to touch it, right?
Yes, you're right. Tama, may tama ka, Chess. So guys, we're here at the middle of the second layer. So I will tell you the history of Kalinawan Cave. But before that, can you close your lights? And we will experience the zero visibility. Close your lights so you can see the last formation here. But before that, I will show you the entrance of the second layer. So this is the entrance of the second layer. That is the tight part. Tight.
How tight? Kasya naman siya.
Yes, it is filled. So this one, the last formation or the last rock formation, and it is called the cave draperies or the curtains. So the curtains, they're formed like a curtains.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's different from stalactite and stalagmite column because it is forming from the cave wall, and that is called the helictites. The dripping water from the cave wall, and it is called the helictites. It becomes thicker and thicker and become like this. Okay, so let's go. So, yung part na optional, pwede po kayo mag-decide, pwede mag-split yung group nyo into two. So yung iba po, yung iba po pwedeng mag-exit na doon sa pinaka-last part ng second year, and yung iba kung gusto po, pwedeng tumuloy. Walang iwanan. Okay, walang iwanan. So, we have two ways here. We have hard way and easy way. So, si easy way po ay pabebe at easy lang natin lalakarin. And si hard way naman po ay 10 meters to 15 meters na gapang. Siya po ay gapang ahas.
No, we don't like that.
So, gapang ahas po siya. But, right now, it's not possible because that is a protected area.
Yeah.
Or raw habitat by the bats.
Yeah, and we don't like that.
So, during COVID era, that is not entered almost 2 years. We didn't enter that almost 2 years. So, the fruit bats and the insect bats entered that part, and they stay right now. So Kalinawan Cave is discovered by Felipe Matalino and Chodo Lapigin on 1901. That is year 1901. So that is the second discovery, but the first discovery is 1572 by unknown person. That is unknown. There's no name or identity gave from the history. So, masyado nabigyan ng Pilipino are the informers of guerrilla during World War I. And during World War II, Kalinawan Cave is used by the Japanese soldier, and this was used for they make this like a home or hideout, like, and they make this as a hospital. They bring
So, marami
they injured or that
nategi dito.
yes, mga namatay.
Mumu.
Mga namatay
There's a lot of mumu here.
Rar. So, Kalinawan Cave po ay meron 7 layer. Kalinawan Cave have 7 layer, but now 5 layer, only 5 layers open. So the 67 layer is, the exit of 67 layer is Montalban Rizal Pamilion Cave near from the Farmawa Dam. Are you familiar?
Muntanban. Tamuntanban na. Malapit na tayo sa bahay.
So if we travel that, we will travel like 9 to 10 days.
Na
Na punta doon?
na go
But
straight.
that part is not open right now because Japanese soldier exploded.
Yeah.
Because if they believe that if they don't explode that, the Americans will trace or track them here. So it is called Kalinawan Cave. So Kalinawan Cave is used by the Americans and Filipinos. This was used as a meeting place during Spanish era or Spaniards era. So this is used by Americans and Filipinos revolutionaries. So they are meeting here. They're making agreement or clarity on how they will fight the Spanish during that time. Okay, that is the short history of Kalinawan Cave. I hope you learned. Okay, let's go. We have challenge here, and it is called the judgmental way.
Pa?
Why? Because if some of the parts of your body nahawakan ng kahit anong part ng katawan nyo, you're not, that means you're not sexy or macho. So good luck.
Okay, go.
Go. Malaki.
Pinuring sarili.
Okay, you pass.
Yung nasa dulo, hindi natin alam.
Ako, pag sumaya daw po dyan, yun na daw po yung pagmumukha ng pagsasara ng... Joke lang. Kasi, siya na yung papasa. Ala!
Diba?
Kaya yan yun.
Sige, tama. Stop ko na to, ha?
Hindi.
Ay.
Parang may video ako.
Ah,
Parang kasama ba ako sa video ba?
Okay, guys. Please move forward and...
Binibidyoan ko lang yung hinihil ko natin.
And guys, we are here at the last part of the second year. So, here you will decide if you want to enter or exit in the second year. So, if you're happy in the first and second year, so this is the exit. And if you want to continue the adventure of 3, 4, 5 layer, this is the entrance of it. So, wait.
Are you sure?
There's more. Dito po tayo. Sila po yung dumaan kanina at nakikipag-unahan. Nag-uuna silang dalawa. So, dati silang nasa TV. Ngayon lumipat po sila sa Kalinawan Cave na madilim. Dahil bumaba po ang kanilang talent fee. So, mas pinili na magstay dito. So, move forward. Baka kasi nasa likod sila.
Sino naman yan? Ayun,
Nasa
sana naman.
gilid-gilid. Minsan nasa katabi nyo na.
Ito.
So, this is the... So, huwag kayo matakot sa kanila. Sila po si B1 and B2. Nakita na naman dito. Nakapasok ka naman dito, ma'am?
Hindi, nakita ko sa sa TikTok.
So, ayan guys.
TikTok.
Sila po si B1 and B2. So, si B1 po ay parang kandila or mitsa. Dinamita. Dynamite. So, meron po siyang mitsa sa taas. And si B2 naman po ay parang, mahala na kayo.
Alam nyo na.
Beavers. Yung maputi. That one is called the natural minerals.
Ah, that's the natural minerals daw.
That color yellow, the color yellow one. Okay, that is called the natural minerals. It is just a different colors. There are just two. There are just two colors. So the white and the yellowish. So guys, ito po, this part is called the arthritis area or arthritis way. So, we will walk like we have arthritis.
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 You need to walk like bend knees.
Bend your body. You need to bend your body. So this one is the exit of the military training or the hard way before. This one. This same way out on the second layer or the easy way.
We are on the 3rd layer now.
Okay. Uy! Ayoko din yan ah.
Ako din eh. Usually, ito pong part na to is not open by public during rainy season. But right now,
Wala labas. Dito rin tayo labas.
No.
Akala ko dito.
Ay, kawawa si Kaspar.
Hindi, kasya. Kasya siya.
Kasha.
Kasya siya.
Fit here.
Don't worry.
Don't
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Yung bag, patanggal mo na lang sa likod niya.
Matt is so worried with you.
It tells me to go on the down.
Hindi kami tatanong saan ang gagawin namin. Trolling.
Sige, ma'am, try mo.
Parang mas buwis buhay pa nga yung pag-akyat natin sa rock formation kahapon eh.
Ito guys, ito yung two parts na. Okay. Ayan. Guys, only i-warm up. So, pag-experience nyo na, yung bibig ko, yung pinakamasayang part, yung fourth layer. Later, you'll see that.
Put your backpack in the front.
Ma'am, gusto nyo ba magdalo ng backpack? Ano ba naman backpack?
Hindi maka-ano siya.
Iabot niyo po sa akin yung backpack kung lulusot na po tayo dito.
Aray ko.
So, ito na guys.
Kasya ba si Kaspar? Ay, kasya.
Kasya siya. Yeah, just like that.
Okay guys, cellphone. Cellphone please. 1, 2, 3. Action.
Sabi ko si Kaspar muna sa akin. Yan, abot.
Yeah. There's about
Get it, ma'am.
Ay, dito hindi ka kasi Lilian. Game?
Oo. Taba.
Oh my God.
Gapang.
Wait lang, May. Wait lang.
That's not it.
Agay.
Get it, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ay.
May stress si ma'am.
Easy lang to kayo.
Napamat yung paa mo.
Mat. Kaya niya.
Kasya yun.
Kosyo.
Pitit eh.
Bag po.
May panguot.
Ayan, si Mata kukuha kasi si Mata maliit.
Straight legs.
Bulong tayo dito para pag-ano Kaspar.
Gulong. You
Hindi
need to
po.
roll. Hindi si Kaspar.
Oh shit.
Move forward guys.
Wait, roll over.
Roll over and play dead.
Yun na. He is on her way.
Oh, I'm stuck! Seriously.
Gonna wait.
No.
Kunin mo yung...
You're just joking, sir.
This is the worship area of the Japanese because they're praying sa sinag sa araw.
Parang
Sa
ano?
madilim.
Parang nakagano.
So, yung alas 12, yung alas 12 ng tanghali po, yung sikat ng araw ay tapat na tapat dito. So, this part is the entrance of 6 to 7 layer. And the exit of that is Montalban Rizal Pamintinan Gilid. You guys see?
Alit ito?
Yan.
O saan ad? Pag doon.
Malapit sa atin?
Oo, papunta sa atin. Puro mosquito, I think.
Oo nga.
Ay, langgam ba yun? Akala ko mosquito.
Mosquito. Ay, lamok lang yun. English pa man, lamok.
Langgam.
We have two kinds of bats here. So we have fruit bats and insect bats. They're different. So the insect bats are the cute ones.
Cute.
Yes. Because they're so
Small?
So small. The fruit bats are bigger. And they are but the insect bats, they're eating some insects. So they're here. So go up and I will take your picture. Let me borrow some. Yung iPhone ma'am para maligaw. Para hindi admission.
May, yun sa'yo na.
May yung sa'yo
Mas
na.
maganda yan.
Oo.
For the final.